Hi guys, I'm Julia and thank you so much for joining me again today in the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. We've got a lot of very loyal mums and dads out there that are watching at home with their babies. Thanks for letting us know that you would like to learn how to create really healthy and nutritious and full of flavour dinners for your little ones. We are going to use the Kuvingsblender, which I have found just exceptional for creating baby food. We want to give our babies the very best, but sometimes we just do not have the time to think about how to create something from scratch. Well, today we have 1 cup of lightly steamed sweet potato, 1 cup of lightly steamed carrot, and 1/3 of a cup of lightly steamed peas, and we're going to add that to 80 mils of water, and we're going to have baby food in under a minute. So what I also love about this machine is that thanks to the rhythmic blades, it's actually an incredibly quiet machine compared to so many other machines on the market. So while your little one is having a little nap, you can prepare their dinner, and when they wake, you'll be ready to go. So we have here our cone, which I like to call the cone of silence, which keeps everything nice and quiet, and we have our jug. This machine uses vacuum technology, which is usually only something that has been used in commercial machines, but now thanks to Kuvings, we have it in our own home, and that means the flavours, the textures of all of these fresh, raw ingredients are preserved. So you're actually giving your little one all of the benefits of this food, and you know everything that's going in it, which I find really important. So I like to pop the water in first, give those blades something to churn up. I've got the sweet potato, that all goes in, the carrot, and then we'll pop on the peas. That goes to the front. We pop on the cone of silence, keep the baby asleep. I love the preset function here. We just pop it on, and there it goes. Beautiful. Now again, if your baby is not that keen on veggies, just keep blending it with a bit more water and you'll actually smooth it out just right for you. But I like a little bit of texture, and to be honest, this is good enough for me to eat. Yum. Remember, it always tastes better with a Kuvings.
Kuvings.